so for homework, you're going to have spelling, reading, and math. Okay, and then you got to read at least 20 minutes per day. All right. So for spelling, you're going to take these sentences and copy them. Okay, copy them below. You're going to get a half sheet, and then the other sheet is the lines that you write the spelling on, the spelling words on, and it looks like this. Okay, so those 8 sentences, you're going to copy them on this line paper that I'm going to give you. That's for spelling. But for math, okay, you'll do this worksheet, and then there's another worksheet on the other side of the worksheet that I gave you. Okay, so it's double-sided. So here's the first side. It says round to the nearest what? Hundreds. So I'm taking 593. What number's in the hundreds place? 5. Looking over to the right, where's the 9 say to do to the 5? Add 1. So what's 1 plus 5? 6. And replace each of the numbers with? Zeros. Okay, so that's what you do. Now, my answer is 600, right? Yes? So if I look at the bottom, it says, here are your answers. Oh. Okay, don't worry about that. Just put the answer right next to it like I have right here, like this. Just cross up the answers as you complete the problems, okay? So what was the answer again? What was the answer? 600. Then I could cross one out, like that. Okay. Now the other side, it says round to the nearest what? Tens. It says circle all the numbers that round to 840. Well, so this is what I have to do. Okay, I'm going to take 839. Okay, what number's in the tens place? 3. I'm not working with the 8 yet. Looking to the right. What does the 9 say to do to the 3? Add 1. So what's 1 plus 3? 4. And replace the 9 with? Zeros. So is 839? Is that correct?
Yes.
Does it round to 840? Yes. So I circle that one. Then I'm going to do this one. 842. What number is in the tens place? 4. I'm not working with the 8 yet. Looking to the right. What does the 2 say to do to the 4? Stays the same. And replace the 2 with? Zeros. Does this also round to 840? Yes, it does. Okay. I think I should do the next one too, just to double check. So 848. Okay. What number's in the tens place? 4. I'm not working with the 8 yet. Looking over to the right. Okay. What does the 8 say to do to the 4? Add 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. And replace the 8 with 0. So do I circle this one? No, because that one's round to 850. We don't want to do that. So you do, that goes for, I guess, all of them. Okay. Oh, and then here, it says write 5 numbers that round to 270 when rounded to the nearest 10. Okay. So if I say 270 and put it on the number line, like this, and count by ones going up, so 270, then it's 71, 272, 273, 274. Do I do 275? No, that would be closer to 280, okay? So there, I just wrote 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I could go one more going this way, 269, then 268, what else? 267, 266, and 265. Do I do 264? No, because if I round that to the nearest 10, I get 260. Okay? So it just says to write 5 numbers down. Well, I just did that already. Look. I could do that one, this one, that's 3, 4, and 5. So when I do 12, you think I could just put 400 in the middle and then go 5 one direction, 5 the other direction? And circle 5 of them? Yes. So this is your reading. Okay, you have an article that you need to read and answer the 4 questions at the bottom. Okay. What I would do, and I always tell my students, read the questions first, read the text, read the questions again a second time, read the text again a second time, and then you can answer the question. Okay? So read the questions twice, read the text twice, and then you can answer the questions. If you need to read the text again, that's fine. Okay? But this is on one side. On the other side, you have this as well. So there's 2 articles you have to read and answer 4 questions to each one. All right?